What's holding you back? What's keeping you stuck? Are you wondering, like, how the hell did I get here? Who am I? I'm telling you, it's stinking thinking. It's stinking thinking. This need is a Apollo, a place to talk about spiritual personality typing, a roadmap to your true self. If you want to start planting your dream seeds, and I'm really kind of getting into this dream seed thing, you got to go inside. You got to nourish yourself. You got to know that there's a mysterious aspect to you beyond just your logical personality type. I keep on saying you're not your personality type. Your personality type is the tool that fortifies, that just supports that mysterious, beautifully pure spirit that's within you, that eternal being. Jane Addams on the blog is a shining example of somebody that's living her dreams. She's taking undiscovered artists and showcasing them, bringing their voice to the world today, centuries later. What's your dream? More in the book, more on the blog.